Why learn your investing options outside of the stock market? When most people think about investing, their minds immediately go to the stock market. Images of bustling trading floors, ticker symbols flashing across screens, and stories of massive gains or losses come to mind. The stock market is often portrayed as the gateway to wealth and financial security. Yet, it's only one piece of a much larger puzzle. The world of investment stretches far beyond the boundaries of Wall Street, and learning about your options outside the stock market can open doors to new opportunities, reduce risk, and empower you to build a portfolio that truly matches your goals, values, and lifestyle. Let's begin by considering why so many investors gravitate toward stocks. Stocks are accessible, familiar, and offer the promise of growth. But along with that potential for profit comes volatility, unpredictability, and exposure to forces beyond your control. The stock market is affected by global events, economic cycles, political shifts, and even investor sentiment. This means that gains can be followed by sharp losses, sometimes within a matter of days or hours. For some, this unpredictability is exhilarating. For others, it's a source of stress and uncertainty. But what if you want to invest in a way that feels more stable, or in assets that move independently from the stock market swings? What if you're seeking to diversify your holdings, protect your wealth, or pursue alternative paths to financial freedom? Exploring investment options outside the stock market doesn't mean you have to abandon stocks entirely. Rather, it offers you the chance to balance your portfolio, reduce risk, and potentially tap into new sources of income and growth. One of the primary reasons to look beyond stocks is the concept of diversification. In simple terms, diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes so that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If you only invest in stocks, your financial fate is closely tied to the performance of the stock market. But by adding other types of investments, such as real estate, bonds, commodities, or even private businesses, you can cushion yourself against downturns in any one sector. Diversification helps you manage risk and can smooth out the ups and downs of market cycles. Consider real estate, for example. Real estate investing can take many forms: owning rental properties, investing in commercial buildings, participating in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or even buying land for development. Real estate has historically offered steady returns, and it's often less volatile than stocks. Rental properties generate ongoing income, and property values tend to appreciate over time. Real estate also offers tangible benefits: homes, buildings, land, assets you can see and touch. Moreover, real estate is usually less affected by short-term market swings, and it can act as a hedge against inflation. Another option outside of stocks is bonds. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of your principal at a later date. Bonds are considered safer than stocks, particularly government bonds, and they offer more predictable income. While the returns may be lower than the potential gains in the stock market, the stability and income they provide can be invaluable, especially for those nearing retirement or seeking to preserve capital. Commodities represent another avenue for investment. Gold, silver, oil, agricultural products, these are physical goods with intrinsic value, often used as hedges against inflation or economic instability. Gold, in particular, has been a store of value for centuries, and many investors turn to precious metals when they're worried about the health of the broader economy. Commodities can add another layer of diversification to your portfolio, and their prices can move independently of stocks or bonds. Private equity and venture capital are options for investors willing to take on more risk in exchange for the potential of higher returns. These investments involve putting money into private companies, startups, or businesses that are not publicly traded. The risks are substantial. Many new businesses fail, but successful ventures can deliver extraordinary returns. Investing in private companies allows you to be more closely involved with the businesses you support, and it can offer a sense of engagement and impact that's often missing in public markets. Alternative investments, such as art, collectibles, wine, or even cryptocurrencies, are becoming increasingly popular. These assets don't fit neatly into traditional categories, but they can offer unique opportunities for growth and enjoyment. Investing in art, for instance, is not just about financial returns. It's about passion, culture, and legacy. Cryptocurrencies, while highly volatile, have generated significant returns for some, and they represent a new frontier in finance. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms offer another way to invest outside traditional markets. These platforms connect investors directly with borrowers or entrepreneurs, bypassing banks and financial institutions. Investors can earn interest or participate in the growth of new ventures, all while helping others achieve their goals. The risks are real. Borrowers can default, but the potential for returns, combined with the sense of community impact, makes these options appealing to many. Why is it important to learn about these options? First, knowledge is power. Understanding different asset classes allows you to make informed decisions, rather than simply following the crowd. Every investor's situation is unique. Your goals, risk tolerance, timeline, and values may be very different from someone else's. By exploring options outside the stock market, you can craft a strategy that truly fits your needs. Second, learning about alternative investments helps you manage risk. Stock markets can be unpredictable, and relying solely on them exposes you to significant volatility. By adding bonds, real estate, commodities, or other assets to your portfolio, you can reduce the impact of market crashes or downturns. Diversification doesn't guarantee profits. It's not a magic bullet, but it does help you weather storms and preserve your capital over time. Third, alternative investments can offer new sources of income. Rental properties generate regular cash flow, bonds pay interest, and some alternative assets appreciate in value over time. This can be especially important for those seeking financial independence, early retirement, or simply a more stable income stream. The stock market is not the only path to wealth, and many investors have built fortunes through real estate, private businesses, or other avenues. Fourth, exploring investment options outside the stock market allows you to align your investments with your values and interests. Maybe you care about environmental sustainability, and you want to invest in green energy projects or eco-friendly real estate. Perhaps you're passionate about supporting local businesses, startups, or social enterprises. Alternative investments can be more personal, meaningful, and impactful than buying shares in a faceless corporation. Finally, the world of investment is changing. Technology, globalization, and innovation have created new opportunities for investors. Crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, cryptocurrencies, and other platforms have democratized investing, making it easier for ordinary people to participate in ventures that were once reserved for the wealthy or well-connected. By staying informed and curious, you can take advantage of these changes and build a portfolio that's flexible, resilient, and tailored to the future. Of course, every investment carries risk. Alternative investments can be illiquid, meaning it's harder to sell them quickly if you need cash. Some require significant expertise, research, or due diligence. Others may be subject to legal, regulatory, or market uncertainties. It's crucial to educate yourself, seek professional advice when needed, and understand the risks before diving in. But the rewards of learning about your investing options outside the stock market are substantial. You gain the ability to shape your financial future, protect your wealth, and pursue opportunities that match your unique goals. You build resilience against the ups and downs of economic cycles, and you discover new ways to grow your money, support causes you care about, and create lasting impact. So where do you start? Begin by asking yourself what you hope to achieve with your investments. Are you seeking growth, income, stability, or impact? How much risk are you willing to take? What are your interests, values, and passions? Once you have a clear sense of your goals, start researching different asset classes. Read books, attend workshops, consult with experts, and connect with other investors. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. The stock market is a powerful tool, but it's not the only one available to you. By expanding your horizons, educating yourself, and exploring the rich landscape of alternative investments, you can build a portfolio that's truly your own, one that reflects your dreams, protects your future, and helps you achieve lasting financial freedom. Learning your investing options outside of the stock market is not just about making more money. It's about taking control, reducing risk, and unlocking new possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the time to explore is now. Your financial future is waiting, and the world of investment is far bigger than you think.